Hello everybody, my name is Kent. I'm a Funko Pop collector. Today I'm chasing the chase of TLC. I already got Left Eye chase, so what is it? T-Boz and Chilli are right here. I ordered 3 more of each. Used hot cash back in January, I think. And I received from the Funko shop. They had a drop last week for Selena and He-Man Artist Series. He-Man sold out like that. I was fortunate enough to get the Selena. So let's take a look at. Let's see what it looks like. I was able to order 2 of them. That was the limit. I don't know if you can see like creasing on the front of the sorter box. This one's the one in worst condition. See how the pop came. I don't know, it's just, I don't know if you would consider that damage. It's just like not flat. There's no tears. See if I can open it. Nope. Don't want to force it too much because then I will mess it up. There we go. Gentle. I like that now on the flap it's trying to say something. Queen of Cumbia.
What's cumbia?
Cumbia is a type of music and dance. And she was very popular. I remember when she came out. I was actually going to see her at the LA Sports Arena, but she was killed a few days before, which is truly sad. It's not a bobblehead. It does stand up. Her dress is white, glittery. You can say like, well, I think it is part of the Diamond Collection. Yes, it is. Diamond Collection. So that's a nice looking pop. So I got 2 of them. I know my wife likes Selena. My daughters love the movie of Selena. Whenever it comes on, either I sit down and watch it with them or I don't.
I just like teasing mommy. Selena está aquí. Selena está aquí.
Anything for Selenas. Yeah. Well, this one, the front's a lot nicer. It's not pushed in too much. So, one for me and one for my wife. She'll get the one I opened. Alright, and here's the TLC pops. Hopefully I do get a chase. First time I ordered them, I got 3 of each, so that's a total of 9. I only ended up with 1 chase. Here's 6 more. Hopefully 1 chase. Best case scenario, I get 2 chases. We'll see what happens. All in sorter boxes, which is nice. Great. I can't say they came damaged now. So, yeah, all the hot cash I have that I did get was for January, and right now we're in March. Oh yeah, today the ECC Funko went live this morning at 6 in the morning. Today's March 4th. I really wanted the My Hero Academia pop. T-Boz. And that one sold out. Chilli. Chilli. T-Boz. Chilli. T-Boz. Okay. So I guess I'll do 1 and 1, 1 and 1, 1 and 1. Yeah, so I had troubles with on the website because when I was checking out, I had Thundar, I had Underdog, and I had the My Hero Academia Pop, which
Najiri. Najiri-chan. Yeah, her hero costume.
Yes. And I was checking out, and then something popped up. It said, "Put in your code." And I closed that window. As soon as I closed it, I got a text on my phone. And I input all my information, name, address, and all that stuff all over again. And it threw me back in line. And then the Najiri was sold out. Told my daughter this morning she was okay with it. I wasn't okay with it, but I wish we would have gotten an email to let us know that we will get a text to put in the code. Threw me back in line. At least I was able to get the 3-pack of Thundar and the Underdog, and hopefully that comes in a week. So this is the first try at T-Boz Chase TLC. Oh, regular.
Isn't TLC like a network?
Like a what?
Network. TLC network.
The Learning Channel. Ah, tiny little ding right there. Not bad condition. Let's try Chilli. Upside down. Nothing wrong with it. T-Boz again. Looking for that chase. Regular. Chilli. I saw the edge. Chase. Awesome. So now I have Chilli and Left Eye. I just need a T-Boz chase to complete my set. T-Boz. Come on, chase. Chase, 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 chase. Ah, regular. And Chilli is probably going to be a regular. But if it's chase, we'll see what happens.
Well, we can't see it.
Can't see it.
No, it's backwards.
Ah, I saw a blue reflection while I was taking it out of the box. So, that's what I got. Got one chase, 1 out of 6, which are the appropriate odds. Not bad. Happy I got a chase. I'm happy about the little Selena pop. Don't fall. She's leaning back, but right here, she won't fall. Well, thank you for watching my video. I hope you were entertained. I've been watching some different videos. This one guy from Canada, you probably know who I'm talking about. Top Pops, I believe is his name. Saw his video and the nightmare he went through trying to check out for the virtual con, and every couple of seconds he had the wrong zip code or something. His cart was sold out. More items were sold out. More items were sold out. He had more patience than I did this morning. Well, thank you for watching my video. God bless you. Take care of yourselves. Things are looking better now. So hopefully by the end of summer, we're 3/4 to normal. Okay. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your families.